Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ServiceNow Universe. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this session we'll discuss about virtual agent. Okay, and first we'll start off with setting up the virtual agent, and then we'll see how we can do the branding in virtual agent, and we can see custom greetings, and then we can see topics and what are topic blocks. At the end we'll see NLU model. Okay, let's discuss what is the use of virtual agent, why we need to use the virtual agent. So first of all, this will increase the productivity of the live agent. Live agent is nothing but the human agent, because if the end user has some issue and if virtual agent itself solves that, then there is no question of going to the live agent, that is the human agent. So it will increase the productivity of the live agent, actually human agent. Okay, and a virtual agent will increase the resolution time of the issues as well, because when end user types in the issue, the virtual agent searches for the solution. For example, the knowledge article might be or might be the resolved incident. Then it shows the solution there itself, and the end user will get the solution for that issue quickly. So this improves the resolution time as well. Okay, now let's start with the setup. Okay, now let's go to the navigation, and we'll write here conversational. So we'll see conversational interfaces here. Okay, so we have a guided setup here, conversational interfaces guided setup. Okay, now let's click on get started. Okay, get started again. Okay, so so set up your conversational experience. So let's click on configure. Okay, here in this it asks for what we are using this virtual agent for CSM, FSM, ITBM, ITSM. So currently we can just mark as ITSM, and as we want to go manually, we want to set this up. Then I will say manual setup and just will continue. Okay, now the first step is complete. The second step is to install the plugins. So let's click on get started here and click on configure. So we need to install this plugin com.glide.cs.chatbot. So we'll just simply click on activate or repair. Okay, and this will install these all plugins, and some two plugins are already installed, currently installed. These two plugins are already there. So let's click on activate. I think this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be back once this is activated. Okay, now this step is completed. Plugin activation is successful. Let's close the form. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, now we'll mark this as complete. Okay, so we have installed the plugin. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Topic recommendations. I think we don't want topic recommendations because we'll create our own topic, so we can skip it for now. Okay, now then we'll go for this ITSM virtual agent conversations. Okay, okay, before installing this, let's go to uh, virtual agent and designer. Okay, when we click on designer, it opens this designer here. Okay, and these are all nothing but the topics. These are the different topics here. Okay, now let's search for one topic called create incident. Okay, we can see there is no such topic here. Okay, but when we install this ITSM virtual agent conversation, that topic gets added here. Okay, along with some other topics as well. Okay, so let's just click on configure. Now again, we can see here this is taking us to the ServiceNow store, and as we are in dev instance, we don't have access to a store as well, so we cannot download the application from the store. So let's do one thing. Let's copy this, okay, name, and let's go to plugins list. Plugins. Let's open that. Let me just close this. Okay, let's wait till this gets loaded, and let me just search for the plugin name here. Okay, okay, so this is it, this one. So let me just install this. Okay, I'll just click on install and install. Okay, I think this will take some time. So let me come back when this is done. Okay, so now it is at 99%. So let's wait for some more time. Okay, now the installation is complete. ITSM virtual agent conversations is installed. Now let me just close this, and let me close this plugins page as well and go back here to the guided setup. Now I'll just close this and I'll mark this as complete. Okay, now let's go to the designer. Okay, here we just saw create incident a topic is not available here, but I'll refresh it once. Okay, now let me just search for create incident here. Okay, so we see we have create incident here. Okay, so now this topic, this is nothing but a topic itself. So this topic is from that plugin ITSM virtual agent conversations. Okay, so we'll use this in our demo, this create incident topic. So we'll see that later in some time. Okay, and this create incident is not a topic. This is a topic block. We can identify this with this icon. Okay, and this topic block can be used in other topics as well. Okay, now what is a topic block? Topic block is nothing but a topic itself, which can be used in other topics. Like for example, in Flow Designer we have subflows. So subflows can be used in other flows as well, right? So same way, this topic blocks can be used in other topics. Okay, now let's go to the guided setup again. This virtual agent and ITSM virtual agent plugins are installed. The other ones we are ignoring for now. So the next one is client configuration. Let's click on get started. Okay, so we have here service portal web client. Okay, to understand this, let's go to SP portal. Okay, dev 183/sp. Okay, so now in the SP portal we have this already enabled here. This virtual agent is already there here. Okay, now how this is added? It is added through this guided setup. Okay, and this is already configured. So let me click on configure. So when I click on configure, it opens one table called service portal agent chat configurations. Okay, now we can access this table here as well. If I type in agent chat, okay, under service portal we have the agent chat module here. If we open that, the same table is open. Okay, we can see the same table here. Okay, now for this service portal, this is the record. Let me open this. Okay, now this is active, so let me just make it as active false. Okay, and if I refresh this, we should not see the virtual agent now because we have deactivated that. So let me just activate it again. Okay, now what does this mean is whenever the uh, from the virtual agent, whenever we transfer the chat to the live agent, right? So that is called as agent chat. Whenever the live agent chats with the customer, that is called as agent chat. So to that agent chat, this will send the chat queue, the whole chat queue, whatever is happened with the virtual agent, that chat queue will be sent to the live agent. Okay, so this is that code. And if you want to send the catalogs in the portal, then we'll use this catalogs, then get value catalogs. Okay, this will send the catalogs used in the portal. Okay, so yeah, and now we will go to the custom ServiceNow Universe portal. Okay, so let's see. So this is ServiceNow Universe portal. This is the custom portal we have created. We are not able to see the virtual agent button here because we have not configured for that. Okay. Now we can create a new record in this table, or we can add the portal here. If the configuration is same, if everything is same, then we can just add it here. And let me just save this. Okay. When I do that, if I refresh the page, I can see the virtual agent here. Okay, so this is how we can add the virtual agent to the custom portal. Okay, now this virtual agent will be added throughout the portal. So if you open any page in this portal, all the pages, this virtual chat will be enabled. Okay, now what is the widget used to show this? So let's go to widgets. Okay, if we search in the name uh, virtual, so we can see here virtual agent for service portal widget. Okay, so this is the widget which is being used to show this. So the functionality is written here in this widget. Okay, Okay, so now I don't want to show this virtual agent throughout my portal, okay, in all the pages in my portal. So what I just want to show it in only one page. Okay, for example, in that case, I'll just remove it from here, okay, from service portal. So I'll just save this, okay, and I'll just refresh this. So this is gone now. And what I'll do is, uh, yeah, so this is a YT topics page. Okay, so I'll open the page in designer. Okay, I'll open this page, give it some time, let it load. Okay, now what I will do is I'll add that virtual uh, this widget, virtual agent service portal widget, to this page. Okay, so now what will happen, so let me just refresh this. Now I can see this virtual agent chat icon here, and we can access the virtual agent here in this page only, YT topics. Okay, if I remove this, okay, so now in the portal it is not visible. Okay, now if you want to add only to specific page, then we can go to page designer and we can add this virtual agent service portal widget to that page. Okay, so this is how we can add it to the single page, not to the whole portal. If we don't want to the whole portal, then we can do this. Okay, let's go back to the guided setup again. So yeah, okay. So this service portal web client, we have already configured that. So let's mark that as complete. Okay. Now the next thing is branding. Okay. In our list also we have next thing, that is branding. Okay. Now what is branding? Let me go to SP portal. Okay, now here in the virtual agent, we have the color here, this color, header color, and the body color, and the message text color, and all this we can change. We can change the icon also, this icon also. Okay, so that we can do in branding. So let's go here and go to branding. Let's click on configure. Okay, so yeah, we need to create a new one, or we can use the default branding as well. So let me just open the default branding. I'll just update in that itself. Okay. Now the heading is now support here. Okay, the heading is now support. I'll change this to service now universe support. Okay, let's save this and let's check that. Okay, now let me go and refresh this. So we can see it is changed to service now universe support. Okay, so let me just go back again here, and here from here we can change the header as well, header logo as well. So let me just click on this. Okay, let me delete this. I had deleted that. Let me attach a new one. Okay, okay, the new image is attached. Let me save this. Okay, and we'll refresh this again. Now we can see the header uh, logo is also changed now. Okay, let's go back to branding again. Okay, now here we can have the delay between the two messages. Okay, now this is one message, this is second message. So delay between these two messages is 500 milliseconds, that is half second. Okay, now delay between the animation. So for example, when we type something here, for example, hi, so this animation is there, right? So for this animation it is taking the delay as 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds. Okay, now this menu title is contact support, we can change it. Here is the menu, and the title is contact support, we can change that as well. Okay, and we can change the colors as well. We can see that color change here. For example, this background color for the header is this. We can change it to, let me just add something. Yeah, we can change it to anything like this. Okay, see, that is getting changed. Okay, so we can add any color here. Okay, now let me just add. Okay, some light color is there here. Okay, F00 DF. Okay, yeah. So we can change the color here, and we can see that change here. We can change the chat background color. This is the background color of the chat. So we can just change it to black if you want it. Yeah, this is changed to black. So whatever we need, we can change that here, and that gets reflected here in the portal as well. Okay, so we can see it like this. Okay, and we can change the icons. We can change the fonts as well. Okay, so this is the branding editor. Okay, now this web client branding is also done. Let's mark that as complete. And next is now mobile app. So if you want to enable the virtual agent in now mobile app, then we need to configure this. But currently we'll skip this. And next is the agent chat button configuration. It's nothing but this one, this button configuration. So what we have to do is, let me go to guided setup. So when I open this, this opens the themes table, which is service portal themes table. Okay, and this Lazola is the theme. Lazola is the theme used in SP portal. Okay, so to check that, how we can check that, let's go to portals and let's open portals here. Okay, and we can see the theme, and let's add SP. SP is the portal ad. So here Lazola is used. Okay, and that same record we can see here, Lazola. Okay, now if you want to do it for a ServiceNow universe, then for ServiceNow universe, that is ServiceNow universe theme. Okay, now we need to search this ServiceNow universe theme. Okay, but currently as we are checking everything in uh, SP portal, so we'll update Lazola. Okay, so let me open Lazola. Okay, now what we have to do is, in there is one uh, documentation here, configure agent chat in service portal. So in here we can see this, we can see the configuration. We can change the icon as well, and for now we'll change the background color of that button. Okay, now we can see the background color of the button is somewhat blue, so we'll add this configuration in the theme, this CSS. Okay, $sp agent chat background, so I'll make that as red. Okay, let's save this. So when I refresh this page, okay, now we'll see the button as red. Okay, to make any changes to this button, so we'll use the theme. Okay, a theme used in the portal. Okay, for SP portal Lazola is used, that's why we are changing in Lazola. For other portal, for any other custom portal, whichever theme is used in that theme, we'll change that. Okay, that will um, change the agent chat button, this chat button. Okay, so this is about that. So let me close the themes, and yeah. Okay, so this is also done, so we'll mark this as also complete. Okay, now let's go back again. Okay, so now client configuration is done almost. Okay, okay, now the next activity in the guided setup is the virtual agent. Let's click on get started. Okay, and in the virtual agent, the first activity is topic recommendations. Let's ignore this. We don't want, we are creating our topics on our own, we don't want recommendations for now. And next one is virtual agent designer. Okay. Okay. Now we have the virtual agent designer here. If I click on configure, that will open this designer for us. Okay, virtual agent designer. Okay, so let me just click on that. Here it is. If I click on configure, this will open this designer. Okay, virtual agent designer, and the same designer can be accessible from the navigation here as well. Let me just close this, and from here, um, if we type conversation. Yeah, from virtual agent, under that we have a designer here. Okay, this will take time to load. Actually, this will load the same virtual agent designer. So let me just close this, and we'll go here. Okay, now from here what we can do is we can create the topics. Okay, now what is topic? Here it is written, let me just scroll. here. Okay, now here we can define these things: topics, topic blocks, custom controls, setup topics, and small task topics. Okay, now what are topics? Topics are the conversation between the virtual agent and the end user. Okay, so whatever we see here, when we click on a virtual agent, and whatever we see this here, the messages uh, in this chat window, this that is nothing but a topic. Okay, that we can create. Okay, so that is first thing. What are topic blocks? Topic blocks are reusable components. We already discussed that. We can use that in any other topic, like the script include code function can be called in any other script. Okay, or subflow can be called in the flow designer. Same way, topic blocks can be called. Okay, now the custom controls. Okay, now let me just go here and just click on create. Okay, and first we'll try to create a topic. Okay, test topic, for example. Okay, I'll just click on create. Okay, I think there is one already present, test topic one. Just create. Okay, so now here we can see user input is there. So user can input text or static choice, or so what we are expecting from the user can be uh, driven from here. These are the activities. Okay, these are the controls, and these are the bot responses. What the bot will respond. So if you want to create those custom, okay, we don't want to use these. These are already present here. We want to use custom our own input and our own output response. That time we'll use custom controls. Okay, so we can build that. Now setup topics are the reusable elements which are already present in all the conversations. Okay, we don't need to add it to the conversation. Like a topic, if the topic block is created, then that topic block should be called in the topic. How we'll call that? If we scroll down here in the utilities, we have a topic block activity. We have to drag and drop it here, and here we need to select the topic block. Okay, which is the topic block we want to add that here. Okay, now the setup topics are topics which are already reusable elements, which are already present in all the conversations. For example, if I go to this page. Okay, okay, so here there is a greeting message, right? This is visible in all the conversations. Whenever the conversation is initiated by the end user, we get this message here, right? So this message is common for all the conversations. We don't want to make this specific, right? If we add this to our topic, this will be unnecessarily we are adding, right? Because this is same in all the conversations. So that time we'll create a setup topic. Okay, so there is out of the box topic present for this. To show this greeting message that will be added in all the conversations. Okay, we'll try to change that topic setup topic, and we'll try to change this greeting message. Okay, but currently this is the greeting message we receive, right? Okay, so it's that setup topic. Okay, now next is small task topics. Okay, now these are the responses to the casual questions, like what is the time now, what is the date now. Okay, now this can happen in the conversation. Okay, like a big conversation is going on, in between that there is a small conversation uh, is there, that is the small topics. Okay, now there is a documentation for this, create a small task topic. So here we can see that. Okay, a small task topic can occur anytime within the conversation session, and can be unrelated to the original conversation session. Okay, for example, if I have initiated the conversation for fixing my laptop issue. Okay, then in between that I can ask this small task topic. Okay, okay, like what is the date now, what is the time now, a casual question. Okay, and here we can see the small task topic is NLU based conversation that can diverge from the original bot conversation. Okay, but after the small task is completed, then we can again go back to our original conversation. Okay, so that is small task topic. Okay, now we can search with create a small task topic in Google, then we'll get this documentation. And we have a documentation for setup topics as well, working with setup topics, and for mm, custom controls as well. Okay, so I'll just close this as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a topic now. Okay, so I'll just remove this. Okay, now this is our test topic one. Okay, so we are creating the topic now. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll add when the topic is initiated. So we'll add a question here. Okay, question to the user. Okay, what question we want to ask? How can I help you? Can I help you? Okay. Okay, then I'll just save this. Okay, and we can go to the properties, or while creating the topic itself we can add this. So in here we can see here who can access. We can mention the roles who can access this topic or on. Or we can add the conditions and all. But in additional section we can add the keywords here, like test topic 1 is the keyword. Or I'll add something like test keyword. Okay, so user should search by these keywords only. Okay, when the user is searched by this keyword, they'll go to this topic. Okay, now let's just save this. Okay, and let's activate this. Activate, and let's publish this. Okay, publish. Okay, so now we have created a topic, we have just added one question here. Okay, now let's refresh this page. Okay, we got this. I'll just add test topic 1. That was our keyword, right? So when I add test topic 1, it is started searching the topic actually for this keyword. Okay, now let's see whether we get that message or not. Yeah, you see, how can I help you? So that is the message which we have added here. Okay, uh, in this question to user we have added how can I help you. So that question is there here. Okay. Okay, now this how can I help you here, if you go here, this how can I help you should be part of the greeting, right? Obviously, here also we have how can I help you. Okay, so this is nothing but a setup topic. Okay, this should not be this should not come under topic. This should be setup topic. So that will be visible whenever the conversation is initialized. Okay, and the setup topic is visible at the end of the conversation as well. Okay, but here I have added just for testing purpose. Okay, when I add this keyword we got this. Okay, we had one more keyword, right? Test keyword, I think. Okay, so let's see if I enter this keyword, we get this message or not. Okay, now the conversation is ended here even though I have added test keyword, because if we go to our this thing our flow, so we can see we have added this question after the question. If user enters anything, we don't have anything to process here. That flow will end here. Okay, that's why the flow is ended. Okay, and this message, thank you for using the support chat, this is also a setup topic. Okay, that is out of the box setup topic present, that is included in all the conversations. Okay, now let's initialize a new conversation and then we'll test this keyword. So we have initialized new conversation, a setup topic is triggered, and setup topic has shown us this message. Okay, now I will just write here test keyword. Okay, so when I test when I added test keyword, it should show how can I help you. Okay, because we have two keywords there. Let's wait for that. You see that has shown us how can I help you. If I add anything here after this, we don't have anything process that, so the flow will end here. Okay, so now let's add something here. Okay, how can I help you? After that we'll add a choice, I think. Okay, okay, so I'll add um, issue. Okay, um, okay, a prompt might be uh, select your issue. This is just for testing purpose, so you can add anything here. So I'll say laptop is okay, I'll say issue with, okay, laptop or software, for example. Okay, now let's save this and publish this. Okay, publish. Okay, now let me just refresh. a new conversation is getting initialized. Okay, and we'll search for test topic 1, that is our keyword. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, now it has searched. How can I help you? Okay, let's add anything, because after that we have this, right? Yeah, you see issue with. Okay, actually we should not have added this. How can I help you? Okay, so whenever the flow starts, that should come directly here to the issue. Okay, because how can I help you is there, right? So let's remove this for now. Okay, so directly issue. Okay. Now I'll just save this, and I'll just publish this. Publish. Okay, I'll reload the page. Okay, okay, you see now directly we get this. So I'll just can end this session. Okay, now I'll click on this. So if we don't want to click on the keyword, okay, if we don't know the keyword, then if we click on show everything, then our topic is visible here. Okay, now when we select that topic, that time it shows the issue with laptop or software. Okay, now when we select laptop or software, there must be something here further to process that, but we don't have anything. So whenever I select something, the flow gets ended there itself. Okay, because there is nothing to select. After this, the flow gets ended here. Okay, now we have a issue with laptop or software, two options here. So to process those two options, we have decision here. So what we can do is we can add the decision here. Okay, okay, now we have added the decision here. So we have two options in issue. We have laptop and software, right? So what I will do is I'll click on this plus to add two flows, one flow for laptop, one flow for uh, software. Okay, now this always is, I'll just change this to laptop. Okay, and what is the condition? When the issue selected is laptop. Okay, when the issue selected is laptop, this flow should trigger. When the issue selected is software, okay, that time this flow should trigger. So I'll say issue selected is software. Okay, so once this so what we'll do is so once user selects software, then we'll ask which software it is. Okay, so I'll just add here. Okay, yeah, I'll say software name. Okay, please enter the software name. Okay, uh, and once a user selects laptop, issue with laptop, then we might add two static choices again here. Okay, here uh, choices, for example, node name can be anything. Select below choice. Okay, so what we'll do is buy new laptop or repair the existing one. This is just for our reference. This is just for testing purpose. Okay, so now again here we may get two decisions, right? So again we can add the decision here. Okay, the decision. Okay, now when there are two options here again, so one is for buy laptop. Okay, and condition will be this choices is buy new laptop. Okay, and this one is repair the existing one. Okay, condition is choices repair the existing one. Okay, so when buy laptop, so what we can do is we can redirect him to uh, we can redirect him to the catalog item. Okay, let's go here, search for buy, sorry, laptop here, laptop. Okay, okay, for example, this standard laptop, for example. Okay, so this is the link, so let's copy this link. So what we'll do is, when a user selects option buy laptop, that time we will redirect the user to that link. Okay, catalog item. Okay, single link, yes, the link is this. This is, I'll say, standard laptop. Okay, and the flow gets ended after that. Okay, the user will submit the catalog item and the flow gets ended. Okay, now if we want to repair the existing one, then what we'll do is we'll create the incident here, right? So that time, to create the incident, we already seen there is a topic block. Okay, so we'll add a topic block here. Okay, and the topic block name is create incident. This is out of the box one. If you want to change anything, then we can just clone this, we can just duplicate this and change it, or we can create our own itself. Okay, now to this create incident topic block, we need to provide these parameters. Okay, who is the caller, who is creating this incident? Okay, obviously the end user. So what we can do is we can select the user from here, input variables. Okay, he is the user. Caller is a reference field, right? So we need to provide the sysid of the user. Okay, so let's go here and select the sysid. Okay, it's the end user who is creating that. What is the short description? uh, Short description is laptop, for example, my laptop is not working. Working, yeah. Okay, he can add more details as well. Okay, no, I don't, he can add more details in description as well, so I'll just keep it like this. Okay, okay, for after this the flow should end, right? So I'll just connect this to end. Okay, so this is one flow. When the laptop is selected, when software is selected, so what we said, what is the software name? So after we get the software name, what we'll do is we'll uh, add the topic block again. For example, we'll create the incident for this. Okay, we'll create the topic block, that is again, create incident, and the caller is again the same user and caller. Sorry, I need to remove this. We need to select the sysid, input variables, user, and the sysid of the user. Okay, sysid of the user. Okay, and short description, we will select okay, so input variables and the software name, and then we'll add is not working. Okay, so after this, when we create the incident, we need to end the flow. Okay, so we have ended the flow here. So this is how our flow topic looks now. Okay, first user comes in. So after the greeting is nothing but a setup topic that is included in all the conversations. Then we show the issues are two issues: software or laptop. Issue with software or laptop. Users, if user selects software, then we ask what is the software name, then we create incident using that software name. Okay, and if user selects laptop, then we show him again two options: repair the existing laptop or buy the new laptop. If repair existing laptop, then we create incident. If you want to buy the new laptop, then we show catalog item. Okay, let's test this. Okay, let's save and click on publish. Okay, now let me refresh the page. Okay, uh, yeah, we can click on show everything to see our topic, or we can add the keyword here, right? So I'll add test topic one is our keyword. Okay, so when I do that, it is searching for our topic with this keyword. Let's wait. Yeah, So it has given us two options here, laptop or software. Okay, so I'll select laptop, for example. I'll select laptop. Okay, so when I select laptop, it shows us two options again: buy a new laptop or repair existing one. So let's select buy a new laptop for now. Okay, so it should show me the catalog item link. Okay, you see, it has given me the link here, and once the link is given, the flow gets ended here. So now the end user can click on that link. Now he will go to standard laptop and he can submit the laptop from here. Okay, so this is one way, right? So other way, let's initiate one more conversation. Okay, yeah, we can go to show everything and select the topic. Okay, now I'll say software name. Now let's go to incidents table first. Incidents. Okay, so we have 40 incidents. Okay, so let's see, and it is asking for software name. For example, I'll say Adobe Acrobat. Okay, okay. Now what it should do? It should take the software name and create the new ticket for us. Okay, so it said in create incident topic block, this is there. Okay, it has created a new incident. If we go here, if I refresh, there are 40 now. A new one, 41 is created. Adobe Acrobat is taken dynamically and is not working is here. Okay, and caller is system administrator. I am system administrator, right? So system administrator is the caller now here, and it has given us the link to that incident. If I click on that, I'll go to that incident directly. Okay, so this is how we can create the topics here. Okay. Okay, so this is about topic. Now let's go back to guided setup again. We'll see a custom greetings first, and then we'll come back to natural language understanding, that is NLU. Okay, so let's go to custom greetings. So we have already seen the greeting here. So let me just go back to the next page. Okay, I'll just click on new conversation. So this is the greeting message, right? Hi, I am your virtual agent. These two messages are there. Okay. Now we'll change this. Okay. Now how to change that? That is using this custom greetings and setup. Okay. So let's scroll down to custom greetings and setup. I'll just click on configure. And I told initially that this is a topic setup topic. Okay. Now let's go here. Okay. Now this is custom greetings and setup. So there is default chat experience. Let's open this. Okay, you see there are different topics here, setup topics. So when we are saying greetings, greetings is nothing but when the conversation is initialized, that time greetings will be shown, right? So there are setup topics here. There are 9 topics. Okay, there are different 9 topics, but there is one topic for greetings as well. So let this load. Okay, it has loaded. So there are multiple setup topics here when there is error, when live agent is connected, everything. So we have one for greetings. Okay, so let me open that. So when the setup topic greeting is there, the setup topic selected is greetings. Okay, now if I go to this and let me go to here. Okay, so if I click on setup topics here. Okay, yeah, type is setup topics. So these are all setup topics present already. Okay, there are multiple setup topics. So you see greetings is the topic here. Okay, this topic is selected here. Okay, that's why we are able to see this message. Okay, now what we will do is we will just select the different setup topic. We'll select this one, dynamic greeting topic. Okay, so instead of this, we'll just remove this. We'll select dynamic greeting topic, and we'll just click on save. Okay, now we have changed the setup topic for greeting. Okay, now let's initialize a new conversation and see what is the greeting message. Okay, now we have initialized the new conversation. Now you see the greeting message has changed. Earlier that was different. Now it is saying hello system, you have currently 18 open issues. Okay, so if I click on that 18 issues, it will show me the list of issues. Okay, this is the incident created. There are multiple incidents which are created by system administrator. Okay, it shows that this greeting message is different. Earlier it used to show this greeting message. Okay, so it is because of that setup topic. Now in this way we can change the gradings. Okay, now we have selected the dynamic grading topic here, but if you want some other message, then we can create our own setup topic and we can select that here. Okay, this way we can change the grading. Okay, so from our list, we have completed setup, branding, custom greetings, topics, topic blocks. So now we have left with NLU model. So let's go to guided setup here again. So we have natural language understanding. So let me go to the designer first. Okay, let's open the topic which we have created. Test topic one. Okay, so when we open test topic one, we can see here NLU intent. Okay, now let me go back to language understanding here. Let's click on configure. Okay, so we can see this is activated here. That's why we are able to see uh, this NLU intent. Okay, now if I deactivate this, okay, and save. Okay, and let me just go and refresh this. Now we will not see the NLU intent here. Okay, so yeah, you see NL entity is gone. Okay, so if this is deactivated, then first activate this and then save this. Okay, once we save this successfully, we'll start seeing NLU intent here. Okay, now that is all about the guided setup here. Okay, now let me just close that. Okay, now let's go to NLU workbench and models. Okay, now the NLU models contains intents and intents contains utterances. Okay, so now let's go to the documentation. So here the documentation is there for NLU intents. Intents drives your models and responses by matching the system action to the user inputs. Okay, so in NLU models we have intents, and in intents we have utterances. Okay, utterances are nothing but like we provided the keywords initially, right? Same way we need to provide the different definitions for the intent. Okay, like for example, I have a laptop issue, so I can say my laptop is not working. Okay, my laptop is hanging. Okay, so my laptop is broken. So what are all the issues I have? So those different issues are called as utterances. So okay, so what we can understand here is NLU model contains intents, intent contains utterances. Okay, and the NLU intents drives the models, and that produces the response. Okay, so now let's go to NLU workbench. Okay, and here are the different models which are already present here. So let's create a model from blank. Okay, we'll say software and hardware issues. Okay, and what is the language? We'll select English language, right? So don't know why we don't have options, so let's skip that. Let's click on next. Okay, one moment. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, now our model is been has been created. So let's go back to the models list. Okay, let's see here. Software and hardware issues is created. Let's open that. Okay, now we will add the content. Content is nothing but the intent itself. Okay, okay. Let this load. Okay, so we don't have any intent. So let me create the new intent. Okay, so I'll say software issue is our intent. Okay, let's add the intent. Let's wait, this is taking some time. Okay, let me click again. Okay, again we are getting the same issue. Let's copy this. Let's search. I think we have it here. Okay, so when trying to so this is the error we are getting. It is saying instruction go to system property and delete this property. Let's see. Sys underscore properties not list. Okay, let's search for that property. Okay, we don't have that property in the system, but then also it's giving that error here. Let me try one more time. New intent, software issues. Okay, still there is some issue. It's saying please try after some time. So don't know, some issue is there right now, but I'll explain you as theoretically. So we'll add the intent here. The intent gets added here. Under the intent we need to add the utterances. Okay, utterance is nothing but the different definitions of the issue. Okay, like my laptop is not working is one issue, my laptop is hanging, that is one issue, my laptop is broken. So different sentences we need to add. Okay, and then after that we need to click on train. Okay, so once we click on train, then might be if there is only one intent, then it throws an error and asks to add more intent. Okay, so now we have added one intent for software issues. We'll add one more intent for hardware issues. Okay, and again we'll add utterances in that intent. Okay, then we will train. We'll click on train. Okay, now what will happen is using the utterances we have added, this model gets trained. Okay, and then we can try the model here. Okay, so we can try the model. We can add the different sentences, different uh, issue types, for example different lines for expressing the issue. Then it will show us the percentage of matching with the utterance. Okay, if percentage more than 60%, then it will find out our topic. Okay. Okay, once we create the model with intent and utterances, we need to come back to the flow. For example, test topic one, which we have created, we need to go to NLU intent section to select it. Okay, so first we have to go to properties tab here. Okay, now we need to scroll down here to natural NLU model and intent. So we need to select our intent here. So our model is software and hardware issues. Okay, and associated intent we need to select, but it did not give us option to create the intent trend. So let's try one more time from here. Hmm, I'll say software issues. Let's see if it creates an intent from here. Yeah, intent got created. So let me just save this. Okay, now let's go back to here. uh, yeah, in software issues. Okay, the intent got added from there. Okay, so that is good. Let's add utterances now. Let it load. Okay, now we'll add the utterances here. Okay, so I'll say my this is the software issues, right? So I'll say my software is not working. Okay, this might be one utterance. Okay, I'll say software is getting hanged. Okay, Give it some time. Okay, that got added. So I'll say uh, software is down. Okay, so different sentences we can add here. Okay, now this is our first intent, and we have added three utterances to it. Okay, now let this get added. Okay, this is added. Now I'll click on train. Okay, we are training the model here. Okay, okay, so we are saying we have added these three keywords. Just get these three keywords and train yourself, so that when in future these three models, these three utterances or any similar matching utterance is found in the virtual agent, then it should find our topic. Okay, the model was not never trained. Okay, let's click on train again. Let's see. It's taking some time. Okay, now we got the error here. Might be it's because we have only one intent here. So let's go back to the model and try to add one more intent. Let's see whether it will allow to create an intent or not now. Okay, in our model, we have one intent. So let's see if we can create one more intent. Okay, now we have one intent here. Let's try to create one more intent. Now we'll say hardware issues. Hardware issues. Let's add the intent. Let's see if it allows to create or not. Okay, we have same error again here. Okay, now let's go back here again uh, to the NLU model, and we can create one more here. So let's say hardware issues. Hardware issues. Okay, hardware issues also got added here. So let's go back to NLU workbench again. So we have two intents now. Hardware issues is added. So let's go and add the utterances for this as well. Now we have two intents in our model, uh, and we have added utterances as well. So let's add utterance to the hardware issues. Okay. So laptop is hardware. So I'll say my laptop is not working. Okay. I'll say my laptop is broken. Okay. For now, I'll just add two, but we can add many more here. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, this is added. Let's click on train now. Let's see whether this gets completed or not. Okay, I tried here multiple times, but each time it is getting failed. But one thing what we can check here is if in the conversation, if we try those keywords which we have added in utterances, like I'll say my laptop is not working. Okay, so I have given this, so it should not find it because we have not trained the NLU yet. Okay, that's why it should not give us the topic which we are searching for. Yes, it has not given us the topic. Okay, because it did not understand this sentence. Okay, so I'll just try it some more time to train that. If it works, then I'll come back here again and show the result. Okay, I tried training in the incognito window, but that is also failed for some reason. But you can try it in your instance. If I get the solution, then I'll post that in the comment of this video. And if you like this video, then please share the video. And if you have any questions, then please add it in comments. And please subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.